Hello everyone. Good morning. Welcome to Boomi Product Video Series. Today in this video, I would like to walk through you on the configuration part for the MLLP communication method. For that, I have taken a simple process here. So, uh, in the start shape, uh, I have taken trading partner as the type for the start shape, and within the trading partner we can select the communication method as the MLLP, and under the my standards, uh, my company partner settings, just we need to mention the communication method MLLP under the communication tab here. So we can see add communication method here. Just click on it. As like other communication methods, we can add the MLLP here and just click on OK. So it's done in the my company trading partner. So once it is done, then go back to the trading partner start shape, and under the trading partner list, uh, within the trading partner, we need to add the MLLP communication method here under the trading partner. As like other communication methods, we can add by clicking plus icon to add the MLLP communication method. Just select the MLLP as the communication method, and then configure the relevant MLLP info here. So here the first one is MLLP send settings. Under the MLLP send settings, we need to configure the host, port, send timeout, receive timeout, max retry, fail on timeout, user persistent uh, connections. So for the host, this is the IP IP address or host name of the MLLP server. Where the MLLP server is hosted, that IP address has to be mentioned. If it is your local host, just even we can mention the local host instead of IP address, and then the port number of the MLLP, the corresponding MLLP server. So here the default is 9099. You can mention the port, and then send timeout, which is default 120 milliseconds, the number of seconds before the connection timeout, uh, waiting for the completion of the send operation. And then we can configure the receive timeout here. This is for the number of seconds before the connection timeout, waiting for an functional acknowledged message from the MLLP server. This is also by default 120. You can configure as you can mention as per your settings. And then max retry, by default it is 0. You can mention any value here, the number of times the connectors retrace a send operation that is timed out. And then we can see fail on timeout. Select these options to fail the sender process if when an acknowledgement timeout exceptions occurs. And then we can see use persistent connections here. This is for connection pool. If it is selected, the connection is added to the connection pool and can be reused. Once we select this option, we can see other options: max pool size and expired timeout. So max pool size is the maximum number of connections that can exist at a time in the connection pool, and expired timeout, the number of seconds that an inactive connection pool can remain in the pool before it is closed and removed from the pool connection pool. And then we can configure SSL settings here. If we selected use trusted SSL certificate, then the server MLLP server certificate SSL certificate should be added here. And then if we select the use client SSL authorization, then the client corresponding client SSL certificate for client SSL authorization has to be selected here. And then for encoding characters, start block character, end block character, end data character, we can mention here that characters for MLLP data. So this is how we can configure the MLLP settings within the trading partnership. Hope this helps you. Thanks for watching.